Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at AZO and ORLY on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So these were high flyers back in the day. We already shorted these and got out of them, but they just keep giving, guys. We had big areas here on this retrace. Check this out. So this is going back, gosh, a year and a half or so. But look at these. Comes in, comes down, goes up, comes in. Retrace makes a new high, comes in, chops around, goes up to a new high again, and then just starts coming in. So right now we're into the 618 retrace, and the 750 is coming up at about 460, guys. 500 will be a big even number as well, so that's something to watch. Let's go into the monthly chart here. I'm just going to go right into the bigger time frame, guys. Here's our fib levels from here. We have great consolidation here, which means good support in this area, even at the low pivot here around 493.42. I'm going to put a trend line in there too, 493.42, guys. If this continues to fall, your next area is going to be right, maybe 454.29. Low pivot. Actually, you know what? I'll go a little bit lower than that. Right at this little pivot high, right about there. So watch for these areas, guys. This thing's coming down really good, guys. Look at this trend line breakdown too. These are monthly high flyers. I mean, this thing was 145, 245, 345, 745. It's like, come on already. So we got a nice pullback coming in, some good support area, guys. So if you wanted to get interested in AZO, this is where you could. But at the end of the day, it could damn well go right down to 273.82, guys. This 200 MA. Hasn't kissed that in years. So just keep an eye on AZAO. ORLY, O'Reilly. Same thing, guys. Same pattern. Auto parts place. You know, great bullish pattern. Pops up. Makes a great run. Comes in. Runs up. Makes a new high. Everyone's getting excited. 300's coming up. And then they drop it on you. Take a fib from here. We're into the 50 retrace, but this is where we're just going to have a big level around about 150, guys. This area doesn't hold, 130, and then this area right here around 105.40. Man, 200 MA, we talk about that on any time frame, guys. If it doesn't hit this in a while, it's bound to come back to this one day. Look at that, 2010, 7-8 years, guys. So watch this chart. If you are long these, tighten that stop up. If you want long term, oh my God! I mean, this is tough. We were saying a short up in here. So at this point, it could be an $80 stock, guys. So if you're long in this one, just be real careful in it. Just make sure you have more down here, just in case if you have to add. And you know, if you're trying to buy the dip on this one, because this one's really killing. I think we're still going 158 to 150 area. And then maybe if we overshoot 130, and then we should get a bounce in here somewhere, though. So, but let's watch the charts on O'Reilly and see what, you know, give it another. Let's go to the weekly and see what's happening there. Before we say on the monthly, yeah, we look at that. Wow. Yeah, you're looking right in here about 150. That cracks. Gosh, we're going a lot lower. We got probably some gaps to fill here if we really looked hard. Yeah, there might be one right in there around 112 or so. But let's keep an eye on this chart. This red bar here, we close down here on the weekly, that's ugly. Well, actually, if we close down in support, that could lead to a couple-day bounce. So let's keep an eye on these guys. High flyers coming in. That's why I wanted to do a video. Monthly charts. When you get charts that, you know, just like that, guys, it's almost time. Look, they bring it back. They shoot it up one more time, get everyone on board, and then they slam it in their face. So just be careful to the high flyers. There's a bunch of charts like this where they just go straight up. A lot of times they go straight down. So, all right, guys, if you like this video, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership, or go to YouTube and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.